In this video, I'll show you how to use bonus in OneXBet. Like and subscribe to this channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional OneXBet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So, for instance, if your OneXBet account, you have bonus from your promo codes here. Remember, bonus are used from your promo code. It can be a bonus for a single bet, football accumulator, whatever. So if you have the code for your bonus, what you have to do is come over to an event you want to bet on. So for instance, just come over here and choose a football match or any other event you want to bet on, and click on it, and then you're going to go over to promo and then paste the code here for your bonus. And once you bet, you're going to bet for the match for free, and if you win it, you're going to receive your money.